going to show you how to remove and replace this handle on a 14 to 18 style GM tailgate. You're going to need a couple different tools for this project. First thing you're going to need is a T15 or a Torx to remove some screws on the back side of this tailgate. They hold in this back cover panel here. So now that you've got all the screws pulled out of the tailgate, you can pull this back pan off. That gives you access to the inside of the tailgate for your handle and latch assembly. Now in here, to get this particular handle off, this one's going to have an electronic latch for your locking and unlocking of the tailgate. It's going to have a couple 10mm bolts on this one. If you don't have the electronic latch, your handle assembly might look a little bit different. Now for the electronic latch, there's going to be a wire connector that you're going to have to pull off if you're needing to remove the unlock and lock assembly. Pull back on the little gray tab, and the whole wire harness comes right out of that. The next step to get the handle out is you're going to have two more 10mm bolts, one on either side of the handle, and these clips here that hold on the rods to unlock the tailgate. These come off, they rotate 90 degrees. You have to push on the little clip and they will swing out of the way, releasing the rod. Same thing on the other one. The final thing to get the handle out is there are two clips on the bottom of the handle that hold it in place. You need to push up from the bottom of those clips and the handle assembly will pop out. Now that you've removed your handle out of your tailgate, if you need to replace your lock cylinder, on the back side of the handle, this little metal wire is what holds the cylinder in place. A pick or a pair of pliers, pop that piece of metal out and your whole lock cylinder will come out of the handle. To remove the tailgate latch on this tailgate, you're going to remove two 13mm bolts. That is, once you've disconnected the rod from the back side of the handle, you'll be able to remove that whole assembly. Now that you've got the old handle out, it's time to put the new one back in. Now that you have everything back together on your tailgate, before you close your tailgate, you want to make sure both latch assemblies work correctly, and you should be all set. Thanks for watching. This is Redbeard's Truck Parts, and we'll catch you on the next one.